Welcome back to the Barbecue Lab. My name is David, and today we're going to talk about how to manage your fire on an offset smoker. So one of the challenges in having an offset smoker like this Lone Star Grill's 48 by 24 is that you need to learn how to manage your fire to be able to get even cooks, because the goal is you want to maintain even temp through your entire cook. Now today we're actually going to be cooking something on here that we're shooting for 275, and I need to heat this grill up to a good 275 before I put the meat even on the grill. Now in order to do that though, we're going to start with 2 good chimneys of charcoal off here to the side, and we're also going to have 2 splits of wood that we're going to use. Now the 2 splits of wood, when you're talking about an offset smoker, you want to have one piece of wood that's on the warming up side. So we're going to take a piece of wood and put it on the side just to warm up here in the firebox. That's going to take any of that extra moisture that's in that piece of wood. It's going to go ahead and basically cook it out before we even put the wood on the fire. It won't ignite by putting it off to the side, but we will be able to have that piece of wood that's drying up off to the side. When we roll it over onto the fire, it should ignite in under 5 seconds. The nice thing about that is you don't get any of that nasty smoke that comes from that piece of wood trying to ignite. So what we're going to do is we've already put 2 chimneys of charcoal inside of this grill, and what we're going to do is we're going to take our first split of wood and we're going to put it right on the coals. This is going to go on the coals to bring the grill up to temperature. Then we're going to take our other split of wood and we're going to put it on the other side of the grill. And if you can see here, what we've done is we've built the fire on the right side of the grill, and we're going to put the wood on the left side of the grill here, and that split of wood will just warm up here in the firebox and will not ignite for the duration of the time that it's in there. Now when this first split is consumed, we'll roll this split onto the fire and that will light up, and we'll put a new split off to the side. And that's how you're going to maintain and manage your fire on an offset smoker grill. So this first split of wood has been on here for just about an hour in this offset smoker, and you can see that it's just beginning to get to the point where it's going to start to break down. And our secondary piece of wood over here has not quite ignited yet, but it's really to the point where it's ready to ignite. So it's time to roll that piece of wood over onto the coals, put the new split over there to dry out, and then we're going to keep doing that for the remainder of the cook. And you can see that we're keeping the smoker right around 275, which is exactly where we want to be. If you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button there. Make sure you don't miss out on any new content that we're putting out to help you really win your weekend backyard cooks. Our goal is to help you be a better pit master and do better cooks for your friends, loved ones, and neighbors. We can't wait to see you next time on the Barbecue Lab.